Hello, my name is Nikhil Lokhande. I'm from Amravati, Maharashtra. I did my graduation from Sant Gadgil University, Amravati, in computer science and engineering. Then after I decided to work in the IT industry, but it's not easy to get a job in IT industry by without any proper guidance. Then after my friend suggests me about Evision. Evision, in Evision, I learn about networking, cybersecurity, Linux, Windows administration, and like a grooming session also. This is the 45 days of session. After that, I was selected in Cognizant for the desktop support engineer. My package is 2.4 LPA. Yeah, I thanks to whole Evision team for giving me the support and proper guidance to get a job uh, in a reputed company. Yeah, thanks to you.